Hello, in today's video, we will look at how to solve the weighing scale puzzles like this. Before that, if you're new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe for more math videos. Let's zoom in the puzzle. Looks like there are 4 weighing scales, one below the other, and all are balanced, which means the weights are equal on both the sides in all the 4 weighing scales. The question is to find out the equal weight for pineapple in the last weighing scale. You have also got 4 options A, B, C and D to choose from. You can pause the video if you want to try on your own, else please continue watching. Alright, we need to find the equivalent weight of this pineapple, but I can see from the second balance the pineapple is equivalent to 3 grapes, but I can't find any option with 3 grapes, right? So we need to dig deeper. From the first balance, I can see 1 watermelon is equal to 6 apples. I'm going to use this in the third balance. So instead of 1 watermelon, I'm going to substitute the 6 apples here. But I have another 2 apples with this. So there will be a total of 6 and 2, 8 apples in here. If there are 8 apples in total in this side of the weighing scale, this means the 4 grapes are equal to 8 apples. Then 1 grape will be equal to 2 apples. I have represented like this. 1 grape is equal to 2 apples. I'm going to use this concept in the second balance in order to find the equivalent weight of the pineapple in the question. So 1 grape is equal to 2 apples. Here they say the pineapple is equal to 3 grapes, which means instead of 1 grape, if I substitute 2 apples, then there will be 6 apples, right? So this is how I have represented the 6 apples. That is, 1 pineapple is equivalent to 3 grapes, or it can also be represented as 6 apples because 1 grape is equal to 2 apples. Now we also know the 6 apples here, as we see in the first balance, the 6 apples is equal to 1 watermelon. So I am going to represent here 1 pineapple is equivalent to 3 grapes, or it can also be represented as 6 apples, or it is also equivalent to 1 watermelon. So if I check in the options, it is the option A, and that's the answer. So 1 pineapple is equivalent to 1 watermelon.